Hi, I'm Jason from RTR LED Limited.
Okay, I see you have prepared the LED strip, so go ahead, introduce your product.
Okay, today I will introduce our company and products. First of all, I will introduce our company. RTR is a COB LED strip professional manufacturer in China. We take the roll-to-roll technology and silicon extrusion process for products. There are many good engineers in our company. They have more than 10 years experience in LED lighting industry. A combination of technology and experience, so we can produce high quality COB LED strips. Now I have a little video show my factory.
Okay.
Can you hear me? Can you hear?
I can see your face, but I cannot see the camera. So maybe you want to switch. I cannot see the video. Okay, thank you for your video. Would you like to introduce us what are they working on with the PC?
PC?
No. Do you want to introduce something about the video, or you want to go ahead and introduce the product?
Yes. Our company applies roll-to-roll continuous medicine by feed chip by the FPC. All automated production. And next, I want to introduce our products.
Okay, let's go. Let's introduce our product.
we have 4 series products according to the IP ratings. This is our IP20. IP20, no proof. IP20.
The rating is IP20. It's for indoor using, right?
Yes. Indoor using. COB LED strip uniform light.
Okay, this is the COB one. So it's in the one street light. There's no spot.
Yes. I turn this.
So it's powered by 24.
Yes. Similar light. No dark air. You can see chip.
Okay.
You can see the LED birds.
Yes. It's all brightness.
Yes. You can. Yes, you can you can use low rear air radius, lactic surface.
Lactic surface.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the COB product, and according the information you give me, so the COB LED strips, according to the IP rating, can go with the IP20, IP54, IP66, IP67. So it can from the waterproof and the non-waterproof, right?
Yes. Because we produce ducts with machine and silicon extrusion process.
Okay.
Our product is very strong. I can test with my hands.
Yeah, you can test it with your hands, and even it's still working. It's still working. Yeah.
Yes. The strip is very good.
Yeah.
Not not die.
Yes, it's still working and it's not nice. It has the good color consistency.
Yes, thank you. Because we use high quality cycling. Center city bent.
Oh, it can be bent. Yeah, I know it can be bent.
Yes, it can be bent. I can cut the silicon with a knife.
You can cut in any size, right? You can cut with the scissors, and you can cut in any lumps.
I do a test.
Okay.
Now I cut silicon with a knife. Now I cut silicon. It's very good. If ordinary say silicon, you pull it.
It will broken. Okay.
Yes, it's broken.
With your quantity, even you are pouring it, it's still strong and it's
yes. Yes.
Okay. So thank you for the high quality.
Yes. If you
twist.
Yeah, twist. Yes. Yes. Yes.
I can see you have the in the back you have the 3M tape on the back, right? So it's easy to sticker.
Yes, 3M adhesive. It's easy store.
Okay, yes, it's easy to stick to anywhere.
Yes. Yes.
And I also know you have the very high CRI rating.
Yes.
It's over
greater than over 19.
Okay, the CRI rating is over 19. Yes, good.
Yes. Yes.
And so the power consumption of the 9 watts per meter.
The 9.6 watts
per meter.
Per meter.
Okay.
Yes, per meter.
Do you have the power by 12 DC power supply, or you only have the 24 DC?
Yes, 24 DC. What is 24 DC?
You only have the 24. You don't have the 12 DC one.
No. Now it's only 24.
Okay, it's only 24.
24.
Yeah, yes, because the 24
yes.
is more popular. The 24 DC is more regular in the market.
Yes. In future, we will develop 12 voltage DC for LED strip.
So how about it's for the each row? How many meters on the single connector? 5 meters or 10 meters on single connection?
Connection. Every cut by 5 centimeter.
Oh, so you can cut in every 5 centimeters? Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
We have now. I introduce my IP. Wait. 54.
IP 54.
50.
Okay.
Yes, IP 54. Argue shape. No silicon on the back.
Okay.
In front, only in front.
Okay.
Have silicon.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Silicon.
So you want to do okay.
This is our product IP67.
Mm-hmm.
67.
Mm-hmm.
It's all covered.
It's all covered.
Yes, it's all covered with silicon.
So it can be used under the water.
Yeah. Yes. But you can't put it in water no, for long time. Short time is okay.
Okay.
Short time is okay. Arc-shape is such a beautiful.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, be beautiful. Because is one made by silicon extrusion process. There are
take your time. Take your time. Or you want to say it in Chinese? I can do the translate for you if I can. Or maybe you can give us your contact information. The client can contact with you in the next time or in the daily time. So would you like to give us your contact information?
Okay. My phone number 18718676612.
Okay. Row to row lighting company. Okay, we have your telephone number, and maybe the client will contact you lately. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for introduce.
I mail.
Oh, you
int cell 01 at RTR LED.com.
Okay, I get your email address now. Okay, due to the time limit, thank you so much again.
Thank you
next time, okay? Yeah.
Thank you. I know you are designer, interior designer. If you need to,
I can be your client. I can be your client. I will contact you later. Okay. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah.